Most UTV speakers sold online are overpriced junk built to fail after a single season. A bad choice here means muddy sound and wasted cash you can't get back. Want to enjoy a ride without your music crackling and distorting? This video will steer you to the best UTV speakers for clear, loud, durable sound. Today, I'm going to be going over the best UTV speakers that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the KEMIMOTO UTV Speaker. If you are an off-road enthusiast seeking bold audio and vivid visuals, this system targets riders who crave immersive experiences. The system houses two 6.5-inch speakers and two 1-inch tweeters for crisp highs and balanced mids. Constructed with rugged PVC housing, the enclosure feels sturdy and ready for dusty trails, while careful mounting avoids rattling at speed. Despite tough exterior, it should not be immersed in water or subjected to heavy rainfall for longevity outdoors. Connectivity relies on Bluetooth 5.3, delivering stable wireless audio as you navigate rugged terrain across wide-open trails. It also supports wired 3.5mm AUX input for direct connection from smartphones or MP3 players. Easy mounting with upgraded ratchet straps for secure installation on ATVs, UTVs, or boats without specialized tools or tedious setup. RGB lighting synchronizes with the music, offering 20 dynamic modes that energize every ride and party atmosphere outdoors. In real-world testing, the two 6.5-inch drivers deliver clear highs and robust bass even at high speeds. Compared with the Polaris Sport Stereo Kit, this KEMIMOTO system offers brighter RGB lighting, easier mounting, and stronger Bluetooth range. The pros include easy mounting with upgraded ratchet straps, vivid RGB lighting, and dependable Bluetooth connectivity for most ATVs. The cons include higher price compared with basic models and limited waterproofing that warns against immersion in heavy rain. During extended trail runs, the system remains secure and stationary without mounting slippage, ensuring a safe, immersive audio experience. Powering the unit is as simple as plugging into your vehicle's cigarette lighter socket, providing immediate operation without extra adapters. If you seek a party-ready off-road audio with bright lights, this system elevates your outdoors experiences beyond typical ATV speakers. At number 4, we have the Ehaho UTV Sound Bar. From the first glance, this Ehaho model appears built for rugged off-road use, appealing to players, riders, and crew chiefs seeking sound. The primary audience includes Polaris and Can-Am owners who prioritize weather-resistant speakers that endure dust, mud, and splash without compromising performance. Its feature set signals a ready-to-ride package rather than a fragile intender, delivering reassurance for weekend trails and muddy backroads. Build quality feels robust with a reinforced chassis, a brushed finish, and secure mounting points designed for stability on rough trails. The long bar spans 26 inches, delivering a commanding presence while fitting most UTV beds and roll cage spaces without obstructing controls. 6 built-in speakers promise room-filling sound and even coverage across the cab or cargo area during drives. Color-changing RGB and strobe lighting add flair, syncing with ambient mood while maintaining a rugged marine-style fit for ATV use. Bluetooth connectivity provides wireless pairing with devices, and a simple control interface streams audio without latency under typical riding conditions. Its IP66 waterproof rating ensures protective performance when rain or spray hits the bar during wet rides. Compatibility with Polaris RZR-CF Moto Can-Am SXS makes it a versatile choice for multiple vehicle families seeking plug-and-play installation. When compared with the Polaris UTV Sound Bar, the Ehaho model offers broader compatibility, stronger RGB lighting, and more mounting options. The pros include IP66 rated waterproofing, a 6-speaker system, easy Bluetooth pairing, and a robust mounting design for quick setups. The cons include a higher price point relative to budget options and a longer, more involved installation due to its size. During actual riding tests, the sound remains balanced across channels and remains clear as wind noise climbs at speed. Overall value feels strong given the 6-speaker setup and IP66 protection at the current price. At number 3, we have the KEMIMOTO UTV Sound Bar. From the moment you lift it from the box, the KEMIMOTO UTV Sound Bar exudes rugged practicality with a sturdy metal frame. Its aluminum alloy frame resists impacts and vibration, ensuring durable performance on rough trails while maintaining a clean, resonant sound signature. The 25-inch length fits most roll bars and supports 1.25-inch to 2-inch tubes. With 5 RGB modes, the built-in lights sync to music and offer solid, fading, jump, or off options for mood matching. Connectivity includes wireless pairing with Bluetooth 5.0, a 3.5mm aux input, and a USB jack for versatile playback. The installation takes roughly 20 minutes and requires no drilling, letting you mount on top or bottom of the roll bar with ease. Its IP65 rated aluminum alloy construction shrugs off sand, dirt, snow, and rain, keeping electronics safe on long off-road days. 6 full-range speakers plus 2 tweeters deliver a surprisingly wide stereo image at speeds, while rugged mounting minimizes vibration. Designed to work with Polaris RZR, Can-Am, and other SXS units, it offers a reliable listening experience across diverse off-road setups. In real-world testing, the UTV Sound Bar maintained clear dialogue and punchy bass at speeds without distortion, thanks to its sturdy chassis. Compared with a common plastic rival, the KEMIMOTO bar offers better durability and reduced vibrations at speed because of its metal chassis. The pros include sturdy metal build with rugged resilience, IP65 weatherproof protection, and easy 20-minute install. The cons include a higher price when stacked against entry-level rivals and a noticeably bulky footprint that requires careful placement. At number 2, we have the Ehaho 6-speaker UTV Sound Bar. From the moment you unbox this 25-inch bar, you sense rugged purpose aimed at off-road enthusiasts and outdoor weekend warriors. The chassis blends aluminum and tough polymer into a slim profile, designed for a 25-inch footprint on utility vehicles. Output peaks at 500 watts across all 6 speakers, and a built-in DSP balances sound for open cockpit environments. Bluetooth connectivity works smoothly for streaming from mobile devices, while USB and AUX ports provide reliable wired options. Music syncing RGB lighting creates a dynamic ambience that can be tuned to preferences without overpowering the primary audio focus. In field tests, the 6 wide dispersion drivers deliver even coverage, and music sync RGB lighting remains visible at higher speeds. Its IP66 weather sealing protects against water jets and dust, enabling reliable operation in mud, rain, and dusty trails. In practical testing, the 6-speaker array delivers robust volume with clear mids and crisp highs while remaining clean at moderate outdoor levels. Compared to a similarly priced 6-speaker bar from Boss Audio designed for ATVs, the Ehaho offers louder output and stronger weather sealing. The pros include powerful output, rugged build, and flexible mounting. The cons include higher price relative to perceived value and no integrated subwoofer. The user interface and mounting system are straightforward, with clear instructions and flexible orientation to fit various UTV models. The detachable cable design simplifies replacements on the trail and reduces cable clutter around the cage. With a price of $134, it represents competitive value for a rugged 6-speaker system loaded with features. Overall, the Ehaho 6-speaker UTV Sound Bar balances power, durability, and practical versatility for golfers, ATVs, and utility vehicles alike. At number 1, we have the KEMIMOTO UTV Speakers. The overhead design integrates IP67 waterproof protection and a durable marine-grade enclosure for all-weather riding. The enclosure is rugged marine-grade with a weatherproof shell designed to withstand wind, sun, and rain during rough off-road adventures. The mounting range spans roughly 1.625 to 1.9 inches, preserving roof clearance with a slim profile. The extension harness kit includes a control panel extender with mode power and volume controls for glove-friendly operation on the dash. Wireless audio streaming lets you play music from smartphones, while USB and AUX ports provide wired options and charging capability. The rugged marine-grade enclosure resists wind and rain, protecting 4 6.5-inch speakers. 4 6.5-inch speakers with coaxial woofers deliver robust bass, while an internal amplifier drives the system. Field tests show the system remains clear at high riding speeds and maintains stable output under sun exposure for lasting entertainment. The overhead mount keeps the speakers above your line of sight, enhancing safety and unobstructed rear view for faster, easier maneuvering. It fits 1.625 to 1.9-inch roll cages and remains roll cage compatible across a wide range. 4 6.5-inch coaxial speakers are driven by a high-efficiency Class D amplifier to deliver strong bass and clear mids. Compared to a budget UTV speaker set, the KEMIMOTO system offers superior water resistance and an overhead mount that saves roof clearance. The pros include rugged marine-grade hardware delivering durability, IP67 waterproof rating, and reliable all-weather performance. The cons include a higher price and heavier weight compared to budget portable options.